Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang.
Hey, what am I dealing with? Lex to the complex representing for dancehall bomb. Oh damn, dancehall bomb. One to them, baddest thing in a dancehall.
Yeah man people, you don't know now. The Maroon Emperor now. 7-star Horus Lewis LB representing for dancehall bomb. You know the number one, you know where stand. Surfer, ever the man, dancehall bomb.
Alisa Epa represent for dancehall bomb. Hear me a stand a dancehall bomb, it's sticky pan them.
Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another episode of Dancehall Bomb. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, in today's episode, we have a few topics to discuss, a few articles to review, a few voice notes to review. These are the stories. Now, people, in today's episode of Dancehall Bomb, we have Black Ryno's friend, people, coming out with some disturbing allegations, people. I'm going to play a clip for you so you can definitely analyze the situation and leave your comment in the comment section, people. But, Jano, I really wonder, our friend really come to in a 2023, dear God. Pretty clip, people.
The British are represent for Dancehall Bomb without no apology.
Nothing wrong if you don't see, but everybody who knows when Ryno they bought me make Ryno they bought Brooklyn, my carry Ryno a Brooklyn party them who knows this. When you see my smoke weed and my weed in my smoke, who knows this? You know what me I say? Him not have money for buying a liquor. Him not drive. Him can't go nowhere a taxi and Uber him take. He said me not go back and forth and him things say. Me I just keep this thing a real one time. I don't want nobody come play shy, scared, and just watch and talk. And if you tell me so, watch my video and no comment about it. You don't find on a bumble clad comment. You don't tell me if I lie, me I tell. Even if you don't feel like I lie, me I tell. Put say I lie, me I tell then. But who know the truth? Talk the fucking truth. I want y'all to comment on my post. Black Ryno and nobody. Now me make a Black Ryno resurrect boy, especially in a Brooklyn party and in a Queens party and certain places. People be honest with me now. And my Porsche Black Ryno drive up and down inner. I'm heated, but just to the text a while ago. Black Ryno, yeah, somebody Black Ryno. Everybody knows say you can't go nowhere without my Black Ryno. You a clown ass nigga. Or you smoke weed free, bro. Or you leave from Brooklyn and go to Queens, bro. Yo, pussy, look like a Uber to your clown. You talk about me, I use the energy. But yo, bro, you never make the video free on your own. Now, drink my free roots, them. I drink my free roots, them. You buy weed from me for smoke, bro. You buy liquor for smoke, bro. Remember, my son a pop smoke bomber clock DJ, and you're in a body now. You run back on my son to try to get back a fame, now, bro. Who keep party boy and pay you, bro? Nobody a give you money boy you finna show, bro. Who keep show and pay you, bro? Who make you cancel $500, $1,000 in your pocket, bro? What do you when you're dead for hunger? Who can you go run and go buy a food for you, bro? What do you buy a food wrong and ask you, bro? And you come talk about some buy one food, bro? Eh? Hungry belly, what you try do, bro? You try this man, I try take something personal, I try do something, bro. You know your feelings or something, bro? I'm heated, but just to the text a while ago, nigga. Eh? You come talk about say man I use the energy. Energy for what? Look how long the video make. Yo, nigga, but I take it off now. But is it true you said that I'm keeping it right there till everybody see then I take it off and I feel like take it off. You ain't nobody, nigga. Stop playing with me, nigga. And everybody know when you go to me a bumbuckler I go with, bro. Especially in a Brooklyn, bro. Remember say you're afraid, you know, bro. Yo, you're good, yeah, nigga. You're good. And this I stay right there, so too, nigga. This is a fucking fact, nigga. Me never beg you $1 yet. You never give me a spliff yet. You smoke all of my free weed, them. You drink beer free roots, beer liquor. And me make you drive in a Porsche, boy. Move your bumbo clot and go. You can't chat to me, bro. You can't chat to me when you have to call people, boy. You're outside, you know, I'm not keep for going to people house where you catch. Yo, go ahead, man. I want to you, bro. Don't ramp with me, man. Boy, your name Black Ryno. And I try to bleach for turn white Ryno. You stupid, nigga. Nobody if you even say I lie, me I tell either. I don't care. I just want the comments. I just want the truth to be heard, man. Because this money I come talk about me, I use him energy. Like, where that look? Money for the video, wait. Yo, bro, I don't pay you. You owe me, bro. The amount of strength where we give you, bro. The amount of strength where we give you, bro.
No, people, that's Black Ryno's so-called frenemy people. I don't know it. Friends like these, they don't need enemies, people, because when I talk about a typical thing a friend do every day, buy each other food, tomorrow you know that same person might buy a next one or in the week. Same thing we do, exchange smoke. Them thing they go on between man, so me not really hear you say nothing. You give a friend a driver for your car to same way, that no means say, me not have a vehicle for myself. But it seems as if you have something really behind this way, really not talk, because me not really see why you say all of them something about Black Ryno, you know, saying take away your money, take away your girl, we don't really know why, you know. So I think you should just ease yourself before you come out and try to defame the artist. Choose an artist you probably just want to highlight, you know. We see if Black Ryno gonna respond to you, but people, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Now, people, there's a video of a female, J Pink, people accusing Khago of some freaky stuff, people. Be a craziness. Must she say Khago will take away her things, them. People hear the lady I said before we say anything.
Hey, Dancehall bomb, pussy clot to them. Them even bad like the slippers where we use go shit in the bathroom with. I we say Dancehall bomb. Hey, outside.
And that a jealousy. Jealousy ma carrying a plan up and I tell be a lie about me people. Nothing where Khago say, no go so. Nothing. Khago nyam fuck like dog. And I burn out man when nyam fuck. He can't chat to me. Ask me if me ever see me do the message yet. He can't chat to me. Me no want Khago. Me no want Khago from my big toe to my little toe. A pussy vengeance him a carry. Yeah? I be a lie, sit down and plan up about me and tell be a lie about me, but I left him to the four square corner of this world. For all them lie, he make my mother shed tears. My mother feels say, a dirty boy this okay come me go pass something and tell lie for me house. Eh? Everybody who know me know where me come from. A decent family come from decent yard. My mother no nasty, me no nasty, no with no grocer. Decent place, my sister just come from England where they and build up my mother house, rebuild it. 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom, what my concept kitchen and living. And the place clean and nice. And the man come out of my mother pot. And my mother plate and then turn off for sure and say, what kind of man that? And I turn on and say, oh, me had this and me had that and me had nasty. Khago is a wicked. Me and Khago kick off already round a rebel team. You know where we kick off for? He say I'm fetish. And if me queasy him puppy, he go bust me. He go make me do 2 songs. I collab with him and a single. And to be honest, cause this a girl now hold on mouth and talk. Since as him a tell lie for me can't talk it truth. Oh, this boy wicked. He say I'm fetish. And if me queasy him body a man ten, that's all he want. He might go make sure me boss and put out song with me and me want boss me dead a music long time. I quiz hell out of that wood. Me quiz hell out of it. If 7 man in me a quiz in wood so let's come here call arthritis me developing a me damn hand. And when he sang me and him record was collab and then me record the single. You hear? And when he see go through and in the tell him and them say boy never know so me can't deliver good. Can never expect some so.
Yes, people, that was J Pink recording artist, people. She has said she'll get a deal, people. See the things that she has said she'll go through. I don't know if them things are really serious or it's just a prank. Because I don't understand what kind of pleasure that the man could have get over somebody just squeeze him up a man in time. Be a madness going on in the world for where they are on the internet, you know. John know the internet is not a real place. Because them thing they sound kind of crazy, you know. Some sick people do them thing there. I don't know why the artists them always get themselves for them type of mix up. It's like you have some sort of artists who just in a drama and now I say them a comedian because them can't find a hit song, them just sit down and make up be a skit and be a stunt at the time and mislead the people them in some foolishness. Wanna do try get people feel like them things they wanna do. Wanna come out and talk them things for. Them things don't make sense. Remember say you up on the platform, you know, man. But people you don't know. Certain artists are just certain artists, you know. We even consider them as artists. We don't even call them names still, but let's just move on to the next topic. Now people have Tony Matterhorn. Nah answer him wife, but him definitely have a message for the killer people. I'm making you see the clip. Tony Matterhorn, Jano, I don't know why I do this to Bounty Killer all the while. Tony mental, remember say they run Bounty Killer at one point, now them man they propel a career to who he is today, you know. But people check out what Tony Matterhorn say right now.
Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang.
When I me say, attitude girl, I send Daima to the world. And Daima come and say a bag of things, I mean never, you notice, I never disrespect nobody who I classified as family. I will never do that, and I never did that before. But any drunkro, any germs, when me not say a family, like on a big pussy friend, with him look a water mouth. Move your blood clot. You stink. You want some cologne? I will bring some for you. Yeah. Yes, bitch. I'll bring some cologne for you. You don't smell right. You smell like a goat. You actually look like a goat and smell like a goat. Yeah. So it's there. You understand? That's how it is. I don't care. You understand? But big up on yourself. And I don't appreciate y'all.
have a blessed day. I am having a blessed day. How my sound? On the good? Viewers and subscriber. Put on a blog. Matterhorn speaks. Did not diss his wife, but diss the germs bounty killer. Yeah. See there? You have a headline. See somebody ask who in my chat. Bloggers and subscribers. Click the link. Boom, bam, bam. And the notification bell. Nobody not say nothing. Mad.
Jano Matterhorn, you look like you just frustrated with your whole life. So just I say, you know, man, me just deal with killer away. I don't know how we hear, say, or who whisper something in their ears, make you just decide if you just this killer out of blue. Because I'm not say bounty killer. I make no farmer laughing, stack off for you or not like that on the internet. I don't see none of them things. So I don't know why you just come out and attack killer like this. Why you feel away? I remember say killer used to big up your thing, you know, man, and hold up a dub plate killer game and bust your career in Tony Matterhorn. Enough to deal with killer, so man. Enough to respect killer. Killer is a good man. What we can't forget, killer kill nobody for you. I must can't forgive one another, man. I just allow that out. I mean, not say bounty killer really, I make send up boy Tony Matterhorn. If you allow that, man, think you're gonna address your wife, you address bounty killer. Jano, what do you think, people? Leave a comment in the comment section.
Now, people, we've reached the end of another brand new show. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, people, I wish you the best of luck throughout the week. I'm out.